Welcome back. Now let us see the definition, purpose and elements of QMS. We shall also cover QMS documentation and implementation of TQM later in the lesson. So stay tuned. QMS is a management system which directs and controls an organization with respect to quality. As we know, a process is a set of activities which transforms inputs into outputs. For a service or product delivery, customer requirements go as inputs into the process, certain established activities are performed and output is delivered to the customer. During this whole transition, quality of the output is of utmost importance as that helps in enhancing customer experience and satisfaction. Quality management system is a framework around the processes which helps in ascertaining that a quality product or service is delivered to the customer. In any organization, there is management leadership, which must make sure that customer always stays in focus. Planning, resourcing and regular reviews are done by the leadership. Management leadership also communicates the customer requirements for a product or service. Another important aspect of QMS is project and risk management. QMS is based on the philosophy of continual improvement. Continual improvement involves quality assurance, quality control, measurement and data analysis as well as the corrective and preventive activities. We must also understand an important aspect of quality documentation, which is usually confused with QMS as a whole. Documentation is just a part of QMS. These elements help in delivering a product or service as required by the customer with an objective of enhanced customer satisfaction. Let's see why QMS is required. How can it help in getting a better quality of the service or product? Ever thought why and how your favorite car is manufactured with so precision that it looks same anywhere and everywhere it is sold in your country? Or for that matter, think of that cheeseburger which tastes and looks the same every time you go to a restaurant, and not to mention the ever-pleasing service experience of that outlet. In fact, some organizations have that consistency in their product and services across the globe. Question is, what do these organizations do to bring that consistency and quality in their services and products? Successful organizations use the international standards on quality management systems that are available. Instead of reinventing the whole wheel, such organizations follow existing standards and best practices with modifications specific to organizational and product or service requirements. The International Family of Standards ISO 9000 Quality Management Systems specifies systems which can be implemented in an organization to ensure that all the product or service performance requirements and needs of the customer are fully met. To get consistency in the outputs, your favorite restaurant chain has put down in writing the instructions to be followed. Their supplies are consistently same every time. Remember the principle of mutual beneficial relationship with the supplier. The equipment they use is same at every outlet. Methods and process are consistent and designed meticulously. This helps them in controlling and improving the processes and execution. And so here they are with their best-in-class service and food that is awesome every time you go. Also, note here, the feedback loops are very important for continual improvement. This whole set of activities is called the systematic approach to process management. Now, let's take a look on the elements of the QMS.